Again. What is up, guys? For this week's video, we're going to be showing you one of the many guns that we use to help some of these clients out where we can't use the Hawks. We're going to show you guys how we use it, how safe it is, just what a cool gun it really is. And also just answer some questions along the way of why it is that we use air rifles when we have Hawks. Sometimes for some of these contracts, for some of our clients, the property or the buildings are just unsafe for the Hawks. Working with animals, we got to make sure they're safe as well. And to supplement for when we cannot use the Hawks, we use the air rifles. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Like, subscribe. Let's have some fun. Alright, so we got another one up in here. The Brocock right now is running out of air, so we'll see if we can get her, but we have to air back up again. More hot food. All right, so we got a pigeon right up in here. Hopefully we can get that back to come back. One did get out. We found them. Sometimes they do take off and they kind of fly a little bit far. That's the thing about this Brocock Atomic. It works real well, but sometimes it lacks us slightly in power. But you know, we got them. We found them. Got him. Sorry, Ronnie, man. Just getting some of those pesky birds out for you. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, we got him right here. Doing good tonight. As well. Yeah, we got him. We got both of them, but they just flew down right over here, so we're gonna go pick them up.
We were like, what the hell is going on?
Well, we already notified local PD.
Okay.
There's actually some officers right now on the other side of this wall, so we let them know what's going on. Your management company knows, but we've been here for like 2 years now.
Ah, okay.
But people move in and out.
Got it. Okay, cool.
We're not worried anymore. But
Yeah, I was just so confused.
It's part of the job. You know, people see this, they're like, what the
Well, yeah.
Yeah, I
It's
know,
all
I
good.
know.
Is it a pigeon up underneath?
He's up here.
Oh,
Yeah.
got it. Okay.
They look really cute. We do reuse the bean tubes that we get from these guys who catch these hawks. Hawks who catch these. And then we'll hawk with us, we have an air rifle.
Oh.
So that's what we're doing. It's a guy
No, it's okay. Thanks for letting us know.
Done. We're gonna be out here tomorrow to clean up. You'll see us out here again tomorrow as well. If you guys ever like are curious, like, hey, what's going on? Don't be afraid to ask. You're like, hey, what's going on, guys?
For
You guys
sure.
out here? It's your guys' place.
Yeah, we were just curious.
Yeah,
That's
all right, so we do have another one up here. Trusty assistant Haley was able to spot this one. All right, guys, so we have a pigeon right up here. Now, this is a great example of why we won't use the hawk. If you take a look right here, there's a huge ledge. That's someone's balcony. We don't know if the hawk would go up there, if it would get stuck. It's just not worth risking the bird's life and being on other people's property. So this is the great time to use the air rifle and to use it properly right here. All right, guys, so this is our final count for the night. We were able to bring back 14 pigeons. We got a total of 18. Some did get away. We will find those in the next couple of days as we go out and we start looking around, cleaning up the property for this client. It was an awesome night. The Brocock Atomic did amazing. It's an amazing little gun. The only drawback with this bad boy is its ability to hold air and shoot a lot of rounds. So we were actually able to get just about 25 shots on one fill from this air rifle. Did a heck of a job. Safe, great, quiet little gun. Hey guys, if you guys like the video, please share it, subscribe to us. It'll help us continue this channel and keep doing what we love to do. Enjoy, guys.